Hi everyone, Sue from Mixed Media Craft Time. Today's video is a VR for Seriously Scrapping challenge. Irene is having a challenge that you are required to make a double page for a journal. She'd like it in pastel colours. The size she's looking for is, in Australia it's a traditional A4 size, and folded in half, and that gives you the size that she requires. She has two prizes, an Australian prize and an international prize. So if you'd like some more information, check out her YouTube channel and the link will be below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.